Okay, we're going to continue into lesson 18, which is coming from 17, which I said in the last lesson there's a bunch of like interesting turns which can be a little confusing. All right, lesson 18, coming from lesson 17. You're going to flip your left hand over, raise your right fist up, and you have this nice round shape, and then you roll back. It's a roll back punch move. Then your right foot is going to adjust outward, and then you're going to repeat what you learned in 17 with the right back fist deflect and a push. Now you're going to step straight ahead with the left foot, and then you're going to palm block with the left hand. Then it's a straight punch with the right fist. Okay, I'm going to repeat it again, and then in the next part I'm going to talk more in detail about it. So you flip the left hand, you raise your right fist up, you roll back, change your right foot out, strike with the back of your right fist, shift and push, step straight ahead with the left foot, block with your left palm to the right, square your hips, and advance forward with the straight punch. Alright, so what can be a little confusing is how your hands are actually moving, because they're moving in circles and they seem to look like they're pulling back and then they're going forward. So what's happening is really your hips are moving the upper part of your body. For example, when you flip your left hand and raise your right fist, you just leave them still, and then the hips move from here. Okay? Some people think or see that it goes like this, where your arms are moving back, but it's not it. That's not the case. The case is that you move your hips, so your arms are still. Okay? Then you change your right foot, and you shift to the middle. Once you get to the middle, that's when you strike with your right fist. Some people just go for it. They do this thing here, and they don't see the difference between the two moves. Therefore, they get confused with which comes first, the fist or the palm. All right? So if you break it down, the left hand flips over first, then the right fist comes up. Now you roll back to your left hip, then you adjust your right foot out, you shift to the middle, strike with your right fist in front, in the middle position. Now you shift forward and push. Next, you step forward with the left foot. From the middle position, you palm block to the right with your left hand. Then, as you advance forward, you square your hips and follow through with the right fist.